Hello students, this is the next lecture for TY BCom students. Subject name is Business Statistics second paper, lecture number 77, second term, unit 6, lecture 9. Name of the topic is Test of Hypothesis, first part, testing of population mean equal to specified value, small sample test. Lecture number 77, TY BCom students. Name of the subject is Business Statistics second paper, unit 6, lecture 9. Example based on t-test. Testing population mean equal to specified value. This is the first small sample test. H0 is specified as mu is equal to mu naught against H1 mu not equal to mu naught. Under H0, the test statistic is given by t is equal to x bar minus mu naught upon s upon root n. This t follows t distribution with n minus 1 degrees of freedom, where x bar is given as summation xi upon n, which is equal to sample mean. Mu naught is the claimed mean. Small s square is equal to n into capital S square upon n minus 1 when sample standard deviation is given. And small s square is equal to summation xi square minus n into x bar square upon n minus 1 when observations are given. See the first example. A claim is made that college students from a particular college on the average have an IQ of 120. To test this claim, a sample of 10 students was tested. Their IQs are given below: 105, 110, 120, 125, 100, 130, 120, 115, 125 and 130. At 5% level of significance, test the validity of the claim. See the solution. First step is to write H0 in notation. Mu is equal to mu naught against H1 is written as mu naught equal to mu naught. H0 in words is written as average IQ of students may be 120. Under H0, the test statistic is given by t is equal to x bar minus mu naught upon s upon root n, where x bar is calculated as summation xi upon n and small s square is calculated with the help of formula summation xi square minus n into x bar square upon n minus 1 because 10 observations are given. So first of all, we'll write xi values. Xi column values are 105, 110, 120, 125, 100, 130, 120, 115, 125 and 130. Take the total of xi column values: 105 plus 110 plus 120 plus 125 plus 100 plus 130 plus 120 plus 115 plus 125 plus 130. The total value is 1180. We need xi square column also. So 105 square is written as 11025. 110 square becomes 12100. 120 square 14400. 125 square 15625. 100 square is 10000. 130 square is written as 16900. 120 square becomes 14400. 115 square becomes 13225. 125 square is 15625 and 130 square becomes 16900. We will find the summation xi square values as 10025 plus 12100 plus 14400 plus 15625 plus 10000 plus 16900 plus 14400 plus 13225 plus 15625 plus 16900. So the total becomes 140200. So x bar is calculated as summation xi upon n, which is equal to 1180 divided by 10. So the value becomes 118. Small s square is calculated with the help of formula summation xi square minus n into x bar square upon n minus 1, which is equal to 140200 minus 10 into 118 square upon 9. So the value becomes 106.666667. We need the value of small s. So small s is equal to square root of 106.666667 10.66667. So the answer is 10.327958. So T can be calculated as x bar minus mu naught upon S upon root n. So T is equal to, we will replace all the values in the formula, 118 minus 120 upon 10.3279 divided by square root of 10. So the value becomes minus 2 upon 3.265968. The final answer of T is minus 0.61237. So mod T calculated is equal to mod minus 0.61237, which is equal to positive 0.61237. Then we will compare this value with the table value for 9 degrees of freedom and 5% level of significance. The table value is 2.262. So we can say that mod T calculated is less than T tabulated. Therefore, we accept H naught at 5% level of significance. Conclusion can be written as average IQ of students may be 120. See the next example. A sample of 20 women enrolled in a health program shows mean diastolic blood pressure 99 and sample standard deviation 32. Can you conclude that women enrolled in the program have diastolic blood pressure equal to 75 recommended by doctor? Use 5% level of significance. So sample size is 20. So this becomes a small sample test. For testing population mean equal to specified value. H naught is written as mu is equal to mu naught against H1 mu not equal to mu naught. H naught in words can be written as the mean diastolic blood pressure may be 75. Under H naught, the test statistic is given by T is equal to x bar minus mu naught upon S upon root n, where x bar is sample mean, which is given as 99. Mu naught is claimed mean, they are claiming for 75. Sample standard deviation capital S is given, so we will find small s square as n into s square upon n minus 1, which is equal to 20 into 32 square upon 19. So the answer is 1077.894737. We need the value of S. So S is nothing but square root of 1077.894737. So the answer is 32.8313. We will calculate the value of T as 99 minus 75 divided by 32.8313 divided by square root of 20. So the answer becomes 24 upon 7.34130. So the final answer is 3.269175. Now we will calculate it. Mod T calculated is written as mod of 3.2691. So the answer is 3.2691. We will compare the calculated value with the table value for 19 degrees of freedom and 5% level of significance. The table value is 2.539. So as mod T calculated is greater than T tabulated, we reject H naught at 5% level of significance. So conclusion can be written as the mean diastolic blood pressure may not be 75. See the next example. A random sample of 10 boys had following IQs: 70, 120, 110, 101, 88, 83, 95, 88, 107 and 100. Does these data support the assumption that population mean IQ is 100? Use 5% level of significance. So this is the small sample test because sample size is 10. So H naught is written in the notation as mu is equal to mu naught against H1 mu not equal to mu naught. H naught in words is written as population mean IQ may be 100. Then under H naught, the test statistic is given by T is equal to x bar minus mu naught upon S upon root n, where x bar is nothing but summation xi upon n and small s square is nothing but summation xi square minus n into x bar square upon n minus 1 because observations are given. So let us calculate summation xi. 70 plus 120 plus 110 plus 101 plus 88 plus 83 plus 95 plus 88 plus 107 plus 100. So the total becomes 962. And xi square column can be calculated as 70 square is 4900, 120 square is written as 14400, 110 square becomes 12100, 101 square becomes 10201, 88 square is 7744, 83 square 6889, 95 square 9025, 88 square 7744, 107 square 11449, and 100 square 10000. So take the total of xi square column as 4900 plus 14400 plus 12100 plus 10201 plus 7744 plus 6889 plus 9025 plus 7744 plus 11449 plus 10000. So the total becomes 9,494,000. Sorry, 94,452. So the value of x square is calculated. First of all, calculate x bar as 962 upon 10. So the value becomes 96.2. Then smallest square is calculated as summation xi square minus n into x bar square upon n minus 1. So the value becomes 94452 minus 10 into 96.2 square upon 9. So the answer is 211.955556. So we want the value of s. So we will take the square root of 211.95556. The value of s becomes 14.5586. Now we will calculate the value of t as x bar minus mu naught upon s upon root n, which is equal to 96.2 minus 100 upon 14.5586 divided by square root of 10. So it becomes minus 3.8 divided by 4.603863. So the answer is minus 0.8253. So mod t calculated can be written as mod of minus 0.8253, which becomes positive 0.8253, and table value of t for 9 degrees of freedom and 5% of level of significance, the value is 2.262. So mod t calculated is less than t tabulated. Therefore, we accept H0 at 5% level of significance. So conclusion, the population mean IQ may be 100. See the next example. The manufacturer of a certain make of electronic components claims that the components have a mean life of 300 hours. A random sample of 9 such components gave the following lifetime in hours: 284, 276, 310, 320, 279, 281, 291, 290, 317. Can you regard manufacturer's claim to be valid at 5% level of significance? So there are 9 components, so it's a small sample test. So H0 in notation can be written as mu is equal to mu naught against H1, mu naught equal to mu naught. So H0 in words, mean life of electronic components may be 300 hours. Under H0, the test statistics is given by T is equal to x bar minus mu naught upon s upon root n, where x bar is summation xi upon n, smallest square is summation xi square minus n into x bar square upon n minus 1, because the observations are given to us. So we have to find summation xi. So we will make two columns, xi and xi square. Xi values are 284, 276, 310, 320, 279, 281, 291, 290 and 317. We need summation xi column, summation of xi values. So 284 plus 276 plus 310 plus 320 plus 279 plus 281 plus 291 plus 290 plus 317. So the total becomes 2648. We need summation xi square also. So we'll write xi square column as 284 square becomes 80656. 276 square becomes 76176. 310 square becomes 96100. 320 square becomes 102400. 279 square becomes 77841. 281 square can be written as 78961. 291 square becomes 84681. 290 square becomes 84100, and 317 square is 100489. We need the total of all xi square values. So let us calculate the total. 80656 plus 76176 plus 96100 plus 102400 plus 77841 plus 78961 plus 84681 plus 84100 plus 100489. So the total becomes 781404. So some x bar is nothing but summation xi upon n, which is equal to 2648 divided by 9. So the answer is 294.2222. And smallest square can be calculated as summation xi square minus n into x bar square upon n minus 1. So which is equal to 781404 minus 9 into 294.2222 square divided by 8. So it becomes 781404 minus 779100.3269 upon 8. So which can be written as 2303.6733 upon 8. So the answer becomes 287.955. We need smallest value, so we have to take the square root of s square. Smallest becomes 16.969357. So we will calculate the value of t as x bar minus mu naught upon s upon root n, which is equal to 294.2222 minus 300 divided by square root of 287.9579591 upon square root of 9. So the answer becomes minus 5.778 divided by 1.885484. So the final answer comes out to be minus 3.0643. So we can write mod t calculated is equal to mod of minus 3.0643, which becomes positive 3.0643. Then we will compare this value with the table value. For 8 degrees of freedom and 5% level of significance, the value is 2.306. So as mod t calculated is greater than t tabulated, we reject h naught at 5% level of significance. So the conclusion can be written as mean life of electronic component may not be 300 hours.